Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We're back. Today we have a different kind of video, so bear with me. I wanted to talk about a niche. A niche? A niche? A niche? A niche. Let's go with niche. We wanted to talk about an underserved niche within the bag spectrum out there. All right, so this is a fanny pack. More specifically, this is my favorite fanny pack. This is the the Trippin' Fanny from Mountain Smith. It's cheap, it's Cordura, it's cool, it's got just the right amount of pockets, it does the job, and it does the job well. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it as a fanny pack, and it's super nice, okay? That's a fanny pack. Fanny packs can get more complex. This is the waist pack from Cargo. Really love the organization on this. It's got a tablet pocket. It's got tons of organization, lots of color options. Really nice. A little heavier, a little bit more organized. Another fanny pack choice. You've got some other options when you're talking about smaller sling style bags. This is the Alpaca Bravo X. Review on this one coming soon. This is the Metro Drifter. Review coming on this one soon. Very cool, crossbody fanny pack sized bags. What's the niche that I think is missing? Well, something that combines light and crossbody with lots of pockets, but not, adding size. So something that gives you structure and pockets, but is still really light and really streamlined and minimalist. I've got a couple of examples. Now, these examples are hard to find. These are a little bit more of a rare bag and a little bit more tricky to get your hands on, but they're perfect examples of what I'm talking about, and I want to pull those forward to show you in order of worst example to best example of what I'm talking about, and hopefully there's a lot of makers who are watching this video who can kind of dial into this space, or it inspires some makers to get creative in this space. We'll see. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about bandolier style crossbodies. What is a bandolier style crossbody? Think Chewbacca. The thing that Chewbacca wears? That's what I'm talking about. Something that is worn as a strap with pockets, not a bag with a strap. Let's dial up what I'm talking about. Here's my first example I wanted to pull forward. This is the Clean Days Sling from Oakley. It is the worst example of what we're talking about, but it is an example. So it's got a pocket, a pocket, a pocket in sequence with a minimalist kind of back pocket here, all on a crossbody form factor. This one's more like a fanny pack with pockets in succession, but we're getting closer, okay? So this is a cool little crossbody bandolier style, but still a fanny pack in essence, okay? Just a more structured externally. This is a fanny pack with external pockets, but we're getting closer to that dream of kind of the Chewbacca bandolier style, okay? Let's go one click further. All right, one click further is this bag. Now this is from Kanga Tech, and it is insanely hard to get this bag, but we're getting really close now, okay? We're getting really close. This bag, look at it. It's got pocket, 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 okay? So let me show you this. Big pocket section here, big enough for 2 iPhones. Another big pocket section here, again, 2 iPhones. Smaller pocket section and smaller pocket section. This one has a punch out for cords to run through. The whole thing is neoprene. This one feels more like a bandolier. This feels more like the bag is the strap, which is kind of the goal of what I'm talking about. The bag is the strap. It still has a strap section here, right? But most of this is bag with a little bit of strap. So there you go. And this is something I've worn around town on a lot of travel trips, and easily fits under coats, easily fits under shirts even if you wanted to, and fits tight to the body, and is available in a ton of colors. This is one of the most useful bag designs that I've seen out there that nobody is doing anymore. So bag as strap is the idea. I'm calling it bandolier style slings. We'll see if it catches on. Now I wanted to give you one other example of this. Look at that one. This is really close to what I'm talking about. It's 2 pockets short of being kind of the Chewbacca dream here that I've got of a Chewbacca bandolier. But this bag from Nike, believe it or not, has a pocket here with an elasticized strap inside of it, a pocket here with another pocket on the front and an elasticized strap inside, pocket here, minimal branding, elasticized strap, and then a pocket that runs the length of the back here that you can slip documents into, etc., slip your wallet into. So you can see, let me take off the Kanga Tech and lay this up front for everybody. This bag from Nike is getting really darn close to the dream. It's just a couple of pockets short. So you can see this, we're almost in Chewbacca territory. It just needs to keep going. It needs to be front and back like the Kanga Tech. So this bag with pockets on the back as well, or ringing all the way around just like the Kanga Tech does, but with external storage pockets that have their own dimension, which is where the Kanga Tech falls down a little bit. It's slim, but the pockets don't have dimension, which means they end up poking you a little bit if you put anything three-dimensional in the Kanga Tech pockets. So this is my ask of bag makers. Keep being creative. Keep looking for form factors out there that don't exist on the market. I know that goes against Business 101. Business 101 is tried and true. Fish where the fish are. Make a version of what people already buy. It's the temptation for YouTube as well. Like, this is a video that probably won't get 1 million views, right? This is a video that fits a particular niche that only people who are really curious about bags and the science behind bags and quirky bags and kind of new frontiers within bag making will be into. More people will probably want to watch, a new video about a nomadic travel backpack. I get it, but don't be scared. Try something new. So if you are a creator and you're watching this, make the Chewbacca bag. Do it. You'll be the only one in the space. I will buy one, and I'll make a video, and thousands of my viewers will buy one too. Make the Chewbacca bag. Nike almost. Kanga Tech almost. Almost. We're getting there. Let's do it. So bandolier bags, let's make them a thing, everybody. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed just talking about bags in general, please subscribe. Please like the video. Please share videos that you enjoy. I love bags and I love this work, and I'm just delighted to be here every single day working on this channel with all of you. All right. Everybody, thanks. I'm going to leave links to these bags, the ones of them that are purchasable, for you. And then there's a couple of these bags that I haven't reviewed yet. Looking at you, Metro Drifter. Looking at you, Bravo X Sling, that you can expect to see some reviews on in the very near future. Everybody, thank you. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye, Wanderers.